Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I am going to show you how you can add your stories to highlights on your Facebook profile. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and select the straight three lines on top of your right screen. Select here and select your profile. And here on the right side of your edit profile option, you can see the three dots. Click that option, and here you can see the option archive. Just click that archive option, and on top of it you can see story archive. And story archive means that the story that you previously uploaded on your profile. And as you can see, these two are uploaded on my profile previously. And to edit these stories on my highlights, all I have to do is just click these stories and select and you can see this feature option on bottom of your right screen. Select that feature option, and here you can see I can make a folder on my highlights. Just I'm gonna give it a name shoe and just select save here. And I'm going to show you that this is added to my highlights on my profile. And you can see the new shop highlights has been added. So in this way you can easily add any stories on your highlights. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. This video does help you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.